still wants to be a boy. Daddy is a punk rocker, almost to the bone. Born a rocker, die a rocker, still going strong. Elvis was the king, and Johnny was a rat. Iggy Pop is still alive, and Johnny Thunder's dead. Sex and drugs and rock and roll, I hope I'll die before I get old. All that music, all that noise forever, there's no choice. Daddy is a punk rocker, 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 Daddy is a punk rocker.
Oh, hey! Daddy is a punk rocker! Yes! Nice Swindle! They are from? Where are they from? Somewhere in Zealand. Dutch band, Swindle. Daddy is a punk rocker. Because before that we played a song for all the mothers. All the punk rock motherfucking mothers out there in Holland. By NoFX, fucking my mom. All mothers of Holland. Mr. Lee was just kidding you. Now I'm going to play a song specially for you. Because all mothers, they like John Denver. So, let's play John Denver song by Me First and the Gimme Gimmes.
All my bags are packed and ready to go. I'm standing here outside the door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye, but the dawn is breaking, it's early morning. Taxi's waiting, it's blown its horn. Already I'm so lonesome I could die. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go. So many times I let you down. There's so many times I fucked around. I tell you now, they don't mean nothing. 'Cause every place I go, I'll think of you. Every song I sing, I'll sing for you. When I come back, I'll bring your wedding ring. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go. Now the time has come to leave you. One more time and let me kiss you. Close your eyes and I'll be on my way. Dream about the days to come when I won't have to leave alone. About the times that I won't have to say, oh kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go. We are the active yo, and it's a bow. Don't wanna wait until we don't listen to be on the active yo. And it's sound. You can hear me just looking at my mouth, be on the active yo. And so yo, you better like it, but there's nothing you can do, we on the active yo. Don't even try, don't need to know all the words that was. And if I really wanted to learn something, I'd listen to more records than I do, we do, you do. So, come on. We are the active yo, and let's go. What is music all you ever do? Since we are the active yo. There's the cat, so where you gotta be a perfect match, we are the active yo. We won't fit in, but that's the way the hell's gonna win, we are the active yo. Yes, that's it, let it go through the perfect fit.
is okay and what is not. It should not be an unexpected scene. Saying, I extend my middle right hand digits and say, hey, would you like lemon and lime with that piece of advice, mister? Come on! We are the after the yoke, and this is those. The one I wait to, don't listen to me on the after the yoke. And then it's down. You can hear it just by looking at my mouth on the after the yoke. And so you mother like a bunch of stuff you can do. We on the after the yoke. Let it try. Leave to know the west side. What's the after the yoke? Yo, 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 yo,
We are the Untutored Youth by the Swedish band The Hives. You know who was that singing? Howlin' Pella Almqvist. He sure can shout. Untutored Youth. And we play that because before that we were playing Me First and the Gimme Gimmes. We're living on a jet plane. And our excuses to all those punk rock mothers. We are Untutored Youth. That is why Mr. Lee keeps playing those crazy records. And also because I'm a bit fucked up. Yes? Mr. Lee is fucked up. I need a drink. Yes, nice. Very nice drink.
Man, this shit's gonna be the death of me.
Is it? I don't know if it's gonna be the death of me. But it's gonna be a great song anyway. Here they are. Blood for Blood with Oh Fuck Up.
Well, as of late, I think I've tripped and gone astray. Maybe I'm no good. Somewhere along the lines, I lost my way in life. Maybe I'm no good. Waiting for a better way, waiting for the better days. I gotta stop missing my life away. But I can't find any shelter. Maybe I'm lost forever. Maybe there's no way. Break it down. Not everybody grows up the same. Some have to deal with oppression and rain. Oh, fucked up. When you know you got no escape, you find a way to deal with the pain. Oh, fucked up. It started as a casual fling. I take a drink and everything would seem alright. Oh, fucked up. Now I know I got no way out. Cause this addiction is with me for life. And it's all fucked up. I used to drink from the bottle. Now the bottle seems to drink from me. Lately when I look in the mirror, it's a stranger staring back I see. I couldn't find the answer at the end of a bottle while inside I was crying. But I kept on trying to get her something that's already broken. I thought the world never will stop. Crash and burn. When will I ever learn? I've gotta stop living my life. Living my life all fucked up. But I just can't seem to get it right. Because I'm all fucked up. Cause I've been living my life. Living my life so fucked up. I look around and see what's going down. It's all fucked up. I just gotta get out. I gotta get away. Maybe it's too late. Maybe I fucked up. In the zoo, I wanna see the snakes. I don't wanna see the lions or the gorillas or the apes. I wanna see a python squeeze somebody's height, or a boa constrictor in the middle of the night. Snakehead boy, gonna lay you down, gonna spoil your fun. Don't tread on anybody's around. Don't tread on anybody's around. You're sweet until they taste real good. Snake like love. Snake like love. In the jungle. I don't wanna see the trees. I don't wanna see the flowers. Or the beetles or the bees. I wanna see an anaconda. Coil in the gloom. Suffocated alligator. Maybe there's on the full moon. Snakehead boy. Gonna lay you down. Gonna bite your
my guitar solos on the Mr. Venus. Okay, very good.
I don't wanna see the plants. I don't wanna see the termites or the rabbits or the ants. I wanna see a cobra inflate his scary hood and bite the unsuspecting. I think that's really good. Snakehead's boy, gonna lay you down, gonna lose his skin. Don't tread on his knees around. Don't tread on his knees around. Oh, God, make me feel so good. Snake bite love. Snake bite love. Don't tread on his knees around. Don't tread on his knees around. Pretty soon it's gonna get bit real good. Snake bite love. Snake bite love.
I'm just doing all kinds of... Oh, please, get out of my pants! Oh, get out of my pants, please! Please, get out of my pants, Snakey Snake! Snake Bite Love by Motorhead. Oh, very bad band, but they used to be very good, so we played them. They have a new album out, Snake Bite Love. Before that, if you are listening, Helene! That band was called Blood for Blood. Where the song from their album Revenge on Society. All fucked up and no place to go. Let's do some Motown shit with Snuff. Yes, they have a new album out. It's called Tweet, 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 my lovely. And this is called Nick Motown. Here they are. Snuff. The beach sucks. Yes, because it was sung by the TV Killers. Yes, they are from France. And their album is called Fucking Frenchies. Isn't that funny? Yes, it is. Hey, also, what is very funny is that usually Mr. Lee does not play music that is related to the 60s, you know? No hippy-dippy shit on the show, but every once in a while, we hear some good old-fashioned garage 60s punk rock, and then we are inclined to play that kind of music. Now, recently you heard on this show a song called In Your Eyes from a very good Dutch band called the Ace Tones. Yes, and I thought, why not? Let's do some in-depth interviewing with the Ace Tones. And I found the motherfucker. Fuckers, or fucker. Who is it on the other end of the line?
Ik ben Ad van Dijk.
Hey, Atja, Ace Stone van Dijk. How are you doing, man?
Goed.
Are you in control of your situation?
Ja.
You are?
Yes.
You are?
Jawel.
Oh, because I am looking at the sleeve of your album In Your Eyes right now.
Ja.
Are you the guy in the middle?
Hoe steking die zijn hoofd in dat meisje steekt?
No.
Oh, de binnenfoto.
The picture.
Ja, dat ben ik.
Well, you don't look in control on that picture, man. When was it taken?
Na een optreden.
Oh, yes, so you were tired and drunk.
Ja.
Ah, do you play often with the Ace Tones?
Laatste tijd niet zo.
Why not?
Omdat je die plaat niet genoeg draait.
Oh, now it's my fault, you crazy motherfucker. Hey, Atja.
Ja?
How long are the Ace Tones already in existence?
Een jaar of 7, 8.
Really?
Ja?
How old are you then?
Moet je dat weten?
Yes, of course, we want to know everything about you.
Oké,
Even your...
ik ben 37.
Oh, that's not so old. That's a really cool age.
Ja.
I can relate to that age, I think.
Want je bent ook zo oud.
No, did I say no? I'm much older and much bolder too than you, motherfucker. Hey, tell me about the Ace Tones. What is that band about? Because you don't play punk rock, do you?
Jawel, tegenwoordig wel hoor.
You do?
Ja?
You think it's punk rock?
Jij niet hoor?
Well, I think it's a more 60s inclined punk rock. It's a little punky.
Ja, dat is het ook.
But it's also a little looking backwards to the 60s, don't you?
Nou, we zijn begonnen als 60s band, maar ja, tegenwoordig spelen we toch steeds meer punk.
Oh yes, why did you try and change your band into playing more punk?
Ja, omdat we uit die tijd komen, hè?
Yes?
77, ja toch?
Oh, of course. How could I forget?
Ja.
What do you remember about 1977?
De Ramones.
Oh yes.
Ja.
What did you like about them?
Alles.
They were loud, they were fast, and they all had the same last names. So why is your band not called John van Dijk, André van Dijk, Eric van Dijk, or Rob A. Stone? Tell me that, you motherfucker. Explain it to me now.
Ja, we zijn de Ramones toch niet, man?
No, you're the Ace Tones.
Yeah.
Sounds the same, but
Yeah.
it's a different band. Hey, let's do some serious talking now.
Ja, oké.
Well, okay. Tell me, why are you called the Ace Tones and not Ramones?
Omdat we wisten geen naam. Toen kwam ik een keer met een heel oud orgel binnenstappen. En dat heette toevallig een Ace-Tone orgel. Dus vandaar.
Hey, it's a good name too, Ace
Yeah.
Tones. And the organ is very prominent on your records too.
Ja.
Especially in that great song, In Your Eyes. Oh, I really love that song.
Yeah.
Now, tell me. Tell me, what is that song about?
In Your Eyes?
Yes!
About my girlfriend.
About your own girlfriend?
Ja.
Oh, what are you talking about with her in that song? Because I heard something about you want to get in her thighs or something?
Between her thighs.
Between her thighs! Don't do that, Atja!
Nee?
No, can be very dangerous.
Hoezo?
She's a big girl. Don't laugh, you should answer the questions, motherfucker.
Because he's a big girl. Nee, ze is niet echt groot.
No, is she in the band too?
Nee.
Oh, fortunately not. That usually gets you into trouble. Hey, Ad!
Ja?
Well, it strikes me as interesting that I am doing all the talking.
Ja. Ik moet heel wat om je lachen, man.
That does not help.
Lullen, man.
That does not help. Now, I'm going to give you 30 seconds.
Ja.
And you can say something to all the listeners out there, okay?
Oké, nou dat is goed.
Well, go on man, motherfucker!
Oké. Nu. Oké, de Ace Tones, een wereldband uit Den Haag en Delft. Nou, Mr. Lee, je moet die plaat vaker draaien. Dan krijgen wij meer optredens. En dan gaat die plaat beter verkopen. En dankzij Maarten de Nijs gaat hij helemaal goed verkopen.
Okay, and then you can stop your daytime job.
Ja, daar ben ik al mee bezig.
Oh yes?
Ja.
What is your daytime job?
Ik werk voor de dienstenwinkel, een beetje klusjes doen.
Oh, okay. Hey, shall we play that song?
Ja, play it loud.
Okay, what's it called again?
In your eyes.
Hey, your eyes!
Okay.
Bye, Adje!
Hoi.
Ja, die A-Tones.
I wanna see the colors going wild when I look at you, my child. Make it through, gonna make it right. I can see everything in your eyes. Yeah, in your eyes. Yeah, in your eyes. Yeah, in your eyes. Peace and love is here to stay. When I wake up, face to day. I wanna see the birds fly in the sky and the big plans in your eyes. I wanna see the colors going wild when I look at you, my child. Make it through, make it right. I can see everything in your eyes. Yeah, in your eyes. Yeah, in your eyes. And between your thighs. Yeah, in your eyes. Yeah, in your eyes. Baby, in your eyes. Yeah, in your eyes.
Ah! A-Tones! Ah! Finally, once more! Ah! A great organ and a great band from somewhere like The Hague or Delft or whatever. And we were just speaking to Ace, Adje van Dijk, playing in the A-Tones. Now, if you want to catch that band live, go catch them because they are great. I think they really... I think they can... Those old motherfuckers can rock your socks. Hey! It's time for email, so I'm going to tone down the washing machines just a little bit. Because, you know, my voice is, well, deteriorated or something, I don't know. And this is a very important letter I'm going to read. It's from a girl called Lieke from the Tomatenstraat. Tomatenstraat, that's interesting. You live in the Tomato Street? Crazy punk rock motherfucker. Also in The Hague. Lieke, if you want to see the A-Tones, go catch them because they are great. You write a letter to Mr. Lee. First of all, Mr. Lee, your show is very good. I have never missed an episode. Good on you, Lieke. But now I've got a big problem, and I hope you can help me out by reading this letter in your show. Okay, I will do so. With Koninginnedag in The Hague, I met a very nice guy during the Skik concert. Skik? What is that? That's not a punk rock band. Those crazy Drent Mega Top 50 shit kickers. Okay, well, anyway, you were there, and it doesn't matter, Lieke. It's all right. We started kissing in the middle of the show in the pogoing crowd, and it was very nice. Oh, you were kissing in the pogoing crowd? But we lost each other a bit later, and I don't know his name or address. Oh, I only know that he is 21 years old and lives in Rotterdam. He has short brown curly hair and was wearing an orange collar. Oh, I'm the 16-year-old girl from The Hague who was wearing an army jacket. 21-year-old boy from Rotterdam, please write me so we can arrange to meet again at the Metropolis Festival or something like that. This is my address. Lieke, do you realize that when I'm going to read your address on the show, you are going to get lots of letters, okay? Lots of crazy punk rock motherfuckers probably want to go kissing with you in the middle of a Skik concert, okay? So you have to pick the really good one motherfucker out that is the real guy, okay? Now, 21-year-old motherfucker who was kissing with Lieke on the Skik concert, write to that girl, okay? And you know what? Don't write to her, but write to Mr. Lee. Here's the address. P.O. Box 6, 1200 Anton in Hilversum. And then Mr. Lee will send it to Lieke, okay? Because otherwise, all crazy punk rock motherfuckers of Holland are going to visit Lieke because they think they can go kissing her tongue and pogoing with her during a Skik concert. We don't want that, okay? So, if you want to meet Lieke again, write Mr. Lee a letter. I will forward it Tulika. Okay. Anything else? Yes. Lots of email, but we cannot read everything, so I'm just going to read this very short one. Okay, you play fucking great music, but play Rancid more. They kick ass. Okay. Whoever you are, Anonymous, I will do that for you. Shall we do it now? Yes, why not? Here they are. Rancid!
Every day you drive the black heart, you pick up your iPhone, microwave refrigerators full of suffering. Come on, baby, I want you to show me what you got, yeah. I want your salvation. Whoa. Come on, baby, I want you to show me what you got, yeah. I want your salvation. Whoa. I can't believe these people live like kings in a state diamond rings. I'm a red, I'm a mission. I'm in your fire. What a suspicion. Come on, baby, I want you to show me what you got, yeah. I want your salvation. Whoa. Come on, baby, I want you to show me what you got, yeah. I want your salvation. Whoa. Salvation, whoa. Come on, baby, why you show me what you got, yeah. I want your salvation, whoa. I can't believe these people live like kings in a state diamond rings. I'm a red, I'm a mission. I'm in your fire, what a suspicion. Come on, baby, why you show me what you got, yeah. I want your salvation, whoa. Baby, why you show me what you got, yeah. I want your salvation, whoa. Come on, baby, why you show me what you got, yeah. I want your salvation, whoa. Come on, baby, why you show me what you got, yeah. I want your salvation, whoa. Come on, baby, why you show me what you got, yeah. I want your salvation, whoa. Come on, baby, why you show me what you got, yeah. I want your salvation, whoa. They're choking out the sun, and we're all so paranoid of everyone. There's no trust, no love, no future for mankind. Psychopath, get ahead, rock, stay behind. A poison clouds raining down from above. Don't know what we're thinking, and in life there's no love. It's not a war for financial stability. This world's become a graveyard, and still we can't see. Our politicians raining down from above. Don't know what we're thinking, and in life there's no love. It's not a war for financial stability. This world's become a graveyard and still we can't say, hey, what do we learn to kill better? What do we learn to kill better? What do we learn to kill better? What do we learn? What do they want? Financial stability. This world's become a graveyard and still we can't see. Our politicians raining down from above. Don't know what we're thinking and in life there's no love. Start a war for financial stability. This world's become a graveyard and still we can't say. What do we learn to kill better? What do we learn to kill better? What do we learn to kill better? What do we learn?
Oh, very good song. Chosen by one of my regular listeners, Marcel. Confused Suicide Machines from their great album Battle Hymns. And maybe you are confused because maybe you won a prize a couple of weeks ago and Mr. Lee has not yet sent the record to you. No, I have not. I will do so very soon, so don't get confused about your Suicide Machine contest, okay? It's on the way. Before that, Rancid, especially for Lika and her tongue-kissing boyfriend from The Hague. Rancid are going to get a new album out somewhere in June, July. It will be featured very regularly on Mr. Lee's Mysterious Washing Machine. Now, maybe you know Rancid also have a sort of record label on the side. And on that label is a very good band also, US Bombs!
I ain't going to work today. Yeah, why not? 'Cause I'd rather work on breaking my own bones with some style, you know. Skate and pack, stuck black as jacks, there's always time to race. Only a fool has a pool and keeps it full. Only a traitor don't train his fools. Go! 45 mph. Go! Downhill on a skate. So there I am, skating solo down 9th Avenue. A couple bikers pull up on me, one on each side. Couple of idiots jerking me back and forth. There comes a bus. It's coming straight up there. It's on a street they're trying to lock me in. And the judge pull up. He pulls a drumstick out of his pocket. Sticks it in a spot. The biker slam. Go! You dogs, they're going around. Go! Let's hit the track. Setting number one job. 45. am I done? Nowhere for me to run, and I can't find my life. And I can't find my life. Everything is so the way falling will make the fuckers pay. But I just watch their heads rolling. Look at what I need in life. You think you're safe right from right? Too late to live for you, because I'm moving with my friends inside my head, and they don't question what I've said, what I'm doing, what I've done. I find myself inside my the other way now. You never put me back. Rubber is what I am. Rubber I'm face the man. Rubber is what I am. Rubber since it's so insincere.
Yes! Oh, loud! So loud! I almost lost my ears in one of my laundromats. Hookahs, Rubber Room. Yes, from the album Green. Maybe it's time for some more uplifting music, you know? Let's have it from those Swedish Chicken Pox. And this song is called Believer. I'm a believer too, are you not?
Listen to the story of the young believer. Life with all heart and passion fever. I say listen to the story of the biggest one. With nothing lost and everything won. We only believe. Gina brought me to heaven. That cemetery took me to hell. Mostly, it took just 2 minutes, but I remember those minutes well. Rockaway Beach made me a star. I quit the rock and roll high school. The KKK took my baby away, but they didn't know she was too tough to die. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is an ode to the Ramones. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is an ode to the Ramones. Hey, oh, don't go. The Ramones made me to leave my home. I took a rocker to Russia. They gave me some psychotherapy. I thought it was the end of the century. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is an ode to the Ramones. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is an ode to the Ramones. Hey, hold on, go. More than 20 years of pure punk rock and roll. No fashion could ever blow them away. Deep respect, that is what I have. Rock and roll is dead without a Ramones. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is an ode to the Ramones. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hoosiers were paying dues to the Ramones, all to the Ramones. And we played especially for Jasper from Zoetermeer and Francine and Nikki. Also because we played Downset before that with Buddy Cry. That was especially for Francine. Hey, I promised you a punk girl special. And how better to start a punk girl special with Uptown Girl by Me First and the Gimme Gimmes. Uptown Girl, and that is going to kick off our Punk Girl special.
Hey, Mr. Lee, what the hell's going on? You talk too much.
Oh, Jeremiah, you was all right. That's why we're going to play 3 punk rock girls after another. Here they are. is Punk Rock Girlfriends from Mr. Lee Super SNES. And just before that, Red Ant. And before that, April March and the Makers. Oh, big aeroplane! Whoa! Hey, airplane finished now? Okay, I can tell you this. Next week in Cold Sweat, VPRO Radio 3 FM, Sunday afternoon, we have Great Dutch Punk Rock Motherfuckers NRA. Here they are with Fuel! Next week they are in Cold Sweat, and maybe they will pay a little visit to Mr. Lee's Mysterious Washing Machine too. Hey, this was Mr. Lee's Mysterious Washing Machine program by Greg Jonas and Margleed Wielinga. Yes, Mr. Lee is going to say goodbye, because right now you are going to get some very serious business on the radio.
Zover dan Mr. Lee's Mysterious Washing Machine. De skateboarden kunnen in het droogrek en het loopt tegen achter. Over 2 uur is de VPRO echter alweer bij u terug op Radio 3. Dan met de vette beats en ille rijmen van de Dutch Masters. Tot die tijd kun je je vermaken met het KRO-programma Leidse Kade Live.